been a while. I've been away. I've been lazy. Yeah, it's not changed. That's what I'm like all the time. Hiya, today I'm going to be trying 2 freeform eggs from Tesco's. I was lucky enough that James bought me 2 vegan friendly eggs the other day, and he said I can have them early so I can film a video, which is really thoughtful. Thanks, James. So here are the 2 eggs. So we have one which is from its like free from like selection that they have in Tesco's. Free from milk, wheat and gluten. It's the white chocolate egg. I've never actually tried vegan white chocolate before, so this is going to be something new. And then this is another one from the Finest collection. This is a Belgian dark chocolate egg with dark orange truffles. It's 60% dark chocolate. I think they both look quite cute. They look quite similar actually, the packaging is quite similar. It does say suitable for vegans, which is also reassuring. So if you're stuck for ideas on what to get for people who are vegan, or if what you want a hint for people to get you for Easter, I'm not a massive fan of chocolate myself, but it is nice to have like options when you feel that like something like a holiday like Easter doesn't apply to you anymore. Like that's how I felt when I thought of Easter. I thought, oh, chocolate, whatever. I can't, you know, join in with the egg hunt or whatever. But yeah, choose what you can. So I'm gonna try these today. So I think I'm gonna start with the white chocolate one because I think that's the one I'm a bit more like curious about, because I've never tried white chocolate before. Well, I have, but just not vegan version. So the white chocolate one comes with 1 egg and then 6 little counters at the bottom, which are quite cute. I think to make it easier, I'm just gonna try the other chocolate bits and then keep the egg, you know, like the actual day. Ooh, okay, it's all fun. So that's the design of the egg. It's like wood, I would say. That it's a bit like, it's got like a nice texture and it's quite cute. Ooh, sticky. And then here's like the little counter. So it's got a little wrapper on it, and then some little ridges on there, like that. Okay. Oh my god. I don't know what I was expecting, but that is flipping lush. Like, I'm trying not to swear so hard then. But oh my god. I've forgotten how much I like white chocolate. I was in denial. I was like, I don't like white chocolate anyway, but oh my god, I do. I'm gonna have another one. I don't know if you saw my advent calendar review where me and James tried 2 advent calendars, but I gotta be honest, I'm not a huge fan of like vegan chocolate because I always find it quite, you're eating it and it's just like, if you're not getting the flavour, but that, like that white chocolate, I think I had like really low expectations because I thought, oh, how are they gonna make white chocolate taste nice? But I was like so wrong. That's really good, like well done Tesco, that's amazing. I'm really impressed with that. Okay, so we set the bar high because that was like really good and I didn't expect it to be. So, ooh, dusty, gross. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the Belgian dark chocolate egg. So this is from their Finest collection, but I think this purple band at the top, it does say milk, wheat and gluten free. I think it's still part of the free from range, but it's just like they have their Finest stuff on there. They have like their Tesco value things, and then they have their fancy stuff, and I think Belgian chocolate just sounds fancy. So this is the egg. So again, it's a like that wood texture, or I don't know what you want to call that, like grains, which I think is quite nice. But instead of 6 counters, this comes with 3 little truffles. I think I'm gonna have to try with this one because it's like the truffle and the egg. I think I'm gonna have to try the egg in this one. That's not working. Oh my god. Okay, we did it. Okay, so here's the little bit here. That tastes good. Tastes like dark chocolate. I think I was expecting orange to be in there. Oh, okay, no. The chocolate, the egg itself is dark chocolate, which is really nice, by the way. And then it comes with the orange truffles. Okay, go on, try the orange truffle then. That's good. That's really good. It's like Terry's chocolate orange, obviously, because orange chocolate, but no. I really like it, the inside. And then you can see like the soft truffle inside. The orange bit, really, really, really good. So if I had to choose a favourite, if it was between the white chocolate and the truffles would win. The truffles would definitely win. They're full of flavour, they're really, really nice. But if it was between the two eggs, which is what this video is about, I think I would go for the white chocolate because I think it's because it surprised me the most. Like, it was really, really, really good when I kind of had like low expectations. But I think because of the wow factor when I first had it, and I know this sounds really silly. I mean, if someone's watching this going, oh my god, you're just talking about white chocolate. I can't explain it. I haven't had white chocolate for months, like for like so long. I forgot what it tasted like, and then that just, it was good. I really enjoyed it. So I think in this instance, in this context, the white chocolate one wins. I'm really happy with this one. I think if somebody asked me what I wanted for Easter, I would point them in this direction. But yeah, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. I really would recommend getting the white chocolate one for something different, because I feel anything like me, you don't really see a lot of white chocolate around. But definitely these truffles are really, really nice. And if you're into dark chocolate, especially like orange, it's like right up your street. But yeah, I hope you all have a nice like Easter, and you know, I will be filming a lot more, she says. But no, I genuinely want to film more. I just need to find the time, because I'm quite a lazy person, and when I come home from work I like to just chill and not do anything. But I need to get out of the habit, because I really enjoy doing videos. When I do them, it's the thought of it that's like overwhelming. So yeah, have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!